Hey everyone, just wanted to let you know that we came back from our trip in Chester, South Carolina, and we had a fantastic time. But we did notice in the evening that our air conditioner, which usually blows really well, very cold air, wasn't blowing out very much air, although it was still cold if you went to touch it. So this is like the little vent that you can paddle them up and down to direct the airflow. And I could feel cold air, but I couldn't feel very much. So I went on my Jayco owners group in Facebook and I saw that they suggested we check the air filters because that's probably what was blocking the flow. And I've never done that before because it's a new to me RV, but we're going to do that right now. I'm going to take them out, and then from there I'm going to take them home and wash them and let them dry, and then I will bring them back probably tomorrow or the next day to see how they do. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Never done this. Taking a butter knife, and there are these little let me see. Well, there are these little, I guess, quarter size screws that you can, I guess, unscrew. Yeah, it just unscrews. I might need my glasses on for this. Ooh. Yes, and we don't want to pull them out too far because we don't want to mess up the weight on here and crack any of the plastic. But I'm pulling these out. Ugh. They're really not, oh yeah, they're kind of bad. I'll show you. All the way through. So that's probably a decent block in my airflow. So we will take these home and see how it goes. Put those on the floor. Ooh, that's gross. But yeah, we'll take these home and see how it goes. And hopefully the air conditioning will start running a lot better. Let's put these back up for now. And when I go to put these back after they're clean, I'm also going to vacuum out in there. So wish me luck. Okay, since I'm here and I have my Dyson with me, I figured I'd go ahead. I love my Dyson. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum out what I can right now. I don't know how much that'll do, but I can hear things. Maybe that should help a little. Oh. I'm just breaking things now. Hold on, sorry. Well, at least I know it's a Coleman Mack mop. Anyway, all right. So that's vacuumed enough for now, and I'll probably do the rest later. But thank you, little Mr. Dyson. That was fun. And whoops, I just want to show you, like I'm trying to clean this out, and these little pieces up here that go to this are breaking off. It's just old plastic. I mean, it's not that big of a deal because I can still move this like this, but wow. I mean, it's old, 2004, but there's that. Yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and get my Dyson over here and kind of get up in here, which I did, but then pieces started breaking off, so I quit. But anyway, alrighty. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm home, and I'm going to put some of this Mrs. Meyer's rose scented soap on here. Blast this water really hot. Clean it off. Let's see how it goes. Flip it over too. At least it'll smell good. All right, I'm just gonna hang these over this faucet handle so they can drip dry. And we'll reinstall them tomorrow. Hey, okay, so I've got these clean. They've got little holes in them for where they go into the screws. So I'm going to unscrew this with my trusty butter knife. And then load them in so that the hole goes through the screw, or the screw goes through the hole. And then again here, screw through the hole. Oh, don't get stuff on me. There we go. I'm trying to make sure that they're flat and in there. Closing it up. Twist. And come on, little guy. Twist. Done. AC's running cold. Oh yeah. AC's working. It works now. AC's working.